welcome back to another video. So in this video, we are talking about all things conditioning, specifically L handstands. Now, L handstands will really help with shoulder flexibility, shoulder strength, arm strength, and core strength. So without further ado, let's go get into it. So the first thing that I love to have my athletes do are hold the L shape on the wall. This is great with squeezing your body, holding yourself up, and holding a good shape. You want to remember to keep your head in, looking at your belly. You don't want to just be sticking your head out, looking any and everywhere. You also want to remember to poke your booty in the air. We do not want our hips down, sinking into the ground, creating an arch in our back, because that can hurt our back and we do not want any injuries. So definitely poke your booty in the air, walk your hands up close to your feet, and make that L shape. The next thing I like to do is put a block by the wall and do L handstand shoulder taps. Once again, everything is all about alignment. We want everything to be in line. We want our head to look down at our belly, and we want to tap our shoulders. The key to this is to not have your hips swaying back and forth tremendously and out of control. You want to be able to touch opposite hand to opposite shoulder. The next thing I like to have my athletes practice are L handstands walking in and out. So you'll walk your hands out to a hollow body position, and what I like to do is make sure I have the athlete hold hollow body and remind them to squeeze their butt. Once again, we do not want our hips to fall and sink. We want to have a nice strong hollow body position, and then they walk their hands back into an L. And the last thing that I love for my athletes to do are do L handstands leg lifts. This will not only promote arm strength, but it will also promote shoulder flexibility, because as your leg goes up, you're gonna feel your shoulders open up. So you want to alternate doing your leg lifts from each leg. One leg goes up, one leg comes down. One leg goes up, one leg comes down. Once again, L handstands help with strength, body control, muscle control, core, and arms. If you see that your athlete is having any trouble holding themselves up in a handstand or a cartwheel or anything that allows them to go upside down, which is basically every skill in gymnastics and tumbling, then these at-home conditioning drills are for you. I would literally do 30 seconds on each drill, it's only 4 of them, and do 3 rounds. Once again, you don't need to work out 40 minutes a day. A little bit makes progress, and progress makes perfect. So with that being said, you guys are to do like, share, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you in my next video. Bye.